Okay, so we can show it here. Okay, so we are now add a new company. So there is another way to add this field from we can our create our language and the name for all application, and we can use it throughout that application. And how we can achieve it? So in language under view, sorry, under resources there is a language, and here is uh, let's create a file, uh, new file, save it, app.php, and here we will create, and in this we will create php. Let's not include. We will create a return. We will return an array, and here we will say companies create uh, companies dash create, and we will say to add new company. So save it. So we have to remember only this field. Let's copy it. You can visit throughout the application the Laravel that will be using its syntax. So it has created in all the field the syntax messages in this field. So pagination, next, and password also reset. So your password has been reset, and this password is, so it has created the messages and the name. So by trans function, using a trans function, it is using this messages, and the all the validation messages that the in a Laravel so come from this language, this file. So we can also define for our application. So in our app, now come to a controller, and in controller, so before returning, let's use this by using trans function, um, trans uh, trans, and here see we will say app. App is the file name, and the name of the app is the file name, and the name of the string that you have in your companies dot dash create. Okay, come to company app dot, let me, that is we have copy pasted. So app dot under the app, and the companies dot create, access this, and we will kept in array, data array, and we will name it, and close this array, and we will name it title, company title or title. Okay, title. So we can send it to our view by sending data. So save it, and let's change to our create. Here now I am changing to only a company. Let's check it to our browser. Parse error, syntax unexpected return. Which file? Return view company dot create. Okay. Data. Sorry, we have not closed this statement. Save it. refresh. So parse text unexpected end of file expecting this where it rat return. Okay, where it is. So we have to close this statement also. Okay, now good. So we have a company. Okay, let me show you that we have accessing it from our view. So we will just need to blade this syntax and give the variable that we are passing from our controller title. So remember that we have passing this variable in an array or data, so we can access that variable in our view by using blade syntax. Save it and let's change it, refresh our page. So we have add a new company. So now this time it is accessing from our language uh, and the file app.php. So throughout the application, we will create our this messages string that we will want to display on the screen. So our view is creating view is now for companies create. I think it's almost done. And the next video we will submit our company. We'll try to submit our company and the different way how we can achieve submit this form to our database. So more than one or two ways that we will see it. Stay tuned.